Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to delete a server in Discord, completely updated for 2026. Whether you created a server for a project that's now finished or you simply want to clean up unused servers, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely. First, open Discord on your device. You can do this on desktop or mobile, the steps are almost the same. Once you're in, head over to the server you want to delete. Make sure this is the correct one because deleting a server is a permanent action and can't be undone. Next, tap or click the server's name at the top of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your server. From that list, choose Server Settings. This is where all your server management tools live, including roles, moderation, channels, and more. Inside the Settings menu, select the Overview tab. This is usually the first option on the left-hand side if you're using Discord on a computer, or at the top if you're a key on a mobile device. Scroll all the way down until you find the Delete Server button. When you tap or click Delete Server, Discord will ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to do this. Depending on your account's security settings, you may need to enter your account password or a verification code before the server can be permanently deleted. Once you confirm, the server will be completely removed along with all its channels, messages, and settings.